Kaparo,
International Humanitarian,
Service Fraternity, and Sorority Incorporated. As I assume this position, I am deeply aware of the trust placed in me by our founding fathers and leaders. Board of Trustees, the current officers of the National Council, and the AKP Commission on Election, I hereby commit to faithfully adhere to the principles and values, mission and vision, doctrines, and ideals of the great brotherhood, sisterhood. I hereby undertake and acknowledge the weight of my obligation and willingly accept them without hesitation or purpose of evasion. I swear to maintain through faith and allegiance to Alpha Kaparo National Council, working tirelessly towards the progress and welfare of our brotherhood and sisterhood, with the assistance of the divine providence. I affirm my commitment to this oath. So help me God. Congratulations, National Council. Long live Alpha Kaparo!
Long live!
Thank you.
Congratulations to all!
Pakiingatan niyo po lahat, then isulat niyo yung put your name.